Good afternoon. Let's begin the analysis for Nifty after today's closing. So, as you would have noticed, the price did go down first, but then it recovered by the time we closed. So after 3 o'clock, market picked up rapidly, and it is now showing that we are going for the next high. Generally, what happens is when the market starts to trend, people say that you should not wait for a correction. Now that is generally true, but when the market breaks out of consolidation, you will see a correction for sure. Only thing is, how much correction is the question. Alright, so if we take a look at this area here, this was our consolidation. We had a breakout, price kept going up. We saw as per last week's analysis, we saw that the market reached 161 extension of the smaller swings. And when we take a look at the bigger swings, we are still about to hit our target. So I'll just draw that for those who are watching the video for the first time. Okay, this is our goal before we look for a pullback in Nifty. So as you can see, price is already heading for this target. Alright, so this should be expected sometime this week. Once this is done, then I'm expecting a pullback of at least about 38%. Alright, so now if we were to take this trade as an intraday, we were to go on our 15-minute chart, and we'll just try to look at where the entry is, where the exit is, and what are the support and resistance levels. Okay, this is what we're expecting. We have a risk to reward of 1:1.5 for intraday trade tomorrow, provided market doesn't open with a gap, or if it does open with a gap, you still get a price entry below 11,479. So let's say it opens with a gap, comes down below this level, and then we could take a buy with our stop loss below 11,402 and targeting 11,600. Alright, so that's the only view on Nifty as of now, still heading towards the target of 11,600. Now we'll take a look at Tata Steel, as one of you wanted us to check. So as discussed earlier, as per our swing high strategy, market is going up, making higher swings, alright. But if you take a closer look, we have also reached a double top. You have this first top, and today it has gone back in the same zone. Now if you were to check the trend for Tata Steel, it's actually in a downward trend. Let's make this clear by drawing the channel in which it is moving. Okay, so this is one reason why I'm expecting Tata Steel to reverse downwards. If that does, now we'll also take a look at Fibonacci to get a confirmation. Okay, we have reached a 50% resistance, 50% retracement level, and at this price, if we have a rejection tomorrow, we can expect another downward swing. Okay, however, if the market breaks this high of 529, 530, then we can expect this to come out of the channel and start to move up. So we'll have to, it's at a crucial level, and let's see how it goes. But if it does not break this, the double top gets confirmed and we look at a downward move. If this is broken at 530, then continuation of an uptrend. Alright, so overall bearish trend. We need to keep an eye on this stock and see how the market plays out tomorrow. Now going to State Bank of India. As you can see on the weekly chart, it is a sideways market, but one thing that stands out is the triangle, the symmetrical triangle that you can see here. Okay, so we have reached the resistance. Now we need to just wait and watch which side the breakout happens. There's a possibility that we could see a pullback and then a breakout, or we could see the market go back to the support. So either we see a pullback to around this level, which is somewhere here, and then maybe a breakout, or it could continue back to test the support. All right. So let's just see if this level is coinciding with any Fibonacci retracements. Now you can see the previous low is somewhere between 50 and 61.8 retracement level. So that is a good possibility that the market could play out that way. Now you can see today's candle was an indecision candle, also an inside candle. Some would call this a Hardy pattern as well. Okay, now I'm expecting SBI to reverse from here and go back to at least do a correction till 280, which is the 50% retracement level. Unless we have a breakout of this symmetrical triangle on the upside, we would not be strongly bullish on this. Right, so that's the view for SBI. That's all for today. If you have any other stocks that you would like us to analyze, please add it to the comments window. See you guys tomorrow. Take care.